everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Gemini Jets, British West Indies Airways, otherwise known as BWIA Airbus A340-313X. This model is produced by Gemini Jets in 2003, with the aircraft sporting BWIA's last livery, the green and yellow Steelpan Livery. The aircraft is powered by 4 CFM International CFM56 high bypass turbofans, producing up to about 34,000 pounds force or 151 kilonewtons combined. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 290 in a 3-class configuration. This aircraft has a cruise speed of 470 knots or 871 kilometers an hour with a range of 7,300 nautical miles or 13,500 kilometers. As a note for collectors, this model has also been produced in 1/400 scale by Dragonwings in 2006 and 2007, and in 1/200 scale as its previous Air Canada version by Inflight 200 in 2022. This A340 was originally delivered to Air Canada in June of 1995 and given the registration of C-FTNP, and it sported the white fuselage black tail with red maple leaf livery of the day. In the middle of 2002, the aircraft was acquired by BWIA International and given its colorful Steelpan livery with the registration of 9Y-TJN. 5 years later, in 2007, BWIA would cease all operations and all the aircraft and other equipment was picked up out of the newly formed Caribbean Airlines. This aircraft maintained its livery, but with Caribbean titles, and the registration number would stay the same. In mid-2007, the aircraft was transferred to Aerolíneas Argentinas for international routes out of Argentina. The aircraft's new registration became LV-BIT, and the aircraft received a new white and blue livery. The aircraft would end its career with AeroTurbine in mid-2013. The aircraft spent periods of time in storage at, and was eventually scrapped in 2019, at Tarbes-Lourdes-Pyrénées Airport in France. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you do not want to miss these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch our other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you and good day.